for like a trial run.
All right.
Maybe we'll drive around the back streets there a little bit first so you get used to it.
Okay.
Before we go for the actual fake road test. I'm going to go for a fake road test today.
Fake road test,
Yep.
yes.
So we'll make a left turn at the lights.
Left. Okay.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, I usually have a little
I
bit
know,
of a
I'm
problem
just
with
kidding.
that, you know, and I'm like, ugh.
Oh, what do we got here? Let's Okay, looks good. Right on. Off we go. Lovely. Make a right lane change. And we'll turn right at the lights.
Can I keep the
Sure.
right here, right?
Yeah. Right in this
Do we
lane.
have to?
Yes.
Yeah, right. Okay,
You stop just before the line here. That fulfills your legal obligation first. Right turn on a red is permitted. Go ahead. Yeah, we'll just drive around a little bit so I know where you're at and so you get the feel for this car here too.
This is another thing that is very different in Brazil.
Yeah.
Not legal to do a red light turn.
It's like in Quebec.
Yeah, we gotta stop and stay there.
Yeah, it's there's no law in Ontario that says that you must make a right turn on a red light. So if you feel more comfortable waiting for the green, you're perfectly fine to do that too.
You're probably just gonna get honked at.
Probably. You might get honked at, but if you can go, if you have a good view of like down the road to your left and making sure that it's clear. If it's clear, then sure, go ahead. You can make your right turn. So long as you stop at the line first. That's the main thing.